Any beat you want, really. If you're playing and singing, you just want something for people to have to like make their ear feel like doing something instead of just. We're gonna do this in 3 easy steps. We ain't even gonna be here long. So first step is bass. Slap. Step 2, snare. Guitar strings might as well be snare wire. 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. The guitar part isn't that complex. It's just like a groove thing. Well, it's all the guitar part technically, but like the chord part. So I'm playing that uppy as like a pickup to 2. It's kind of like that's in the bossa. Like this is a 2-5-1 progression: D minor 7, G7, C major 7. And just adding that middle finger to the 5 string, that just makes it a C sharp diminished chord. So it's just like passing. Something like that. Spice it up. Ooh. Or that second bass note, you were putting a chord there. It's kind of a stupid way of explaining it. Let's move on. Another thing I do in there, we're filling up space and creating grooves by sliding into it. That's an embellishment right there. Yeah, a little. Yeah, that's basically how to fill out a song when you're doing a cover song. Thanks for watching.